Dear engineers, greetings from Aliation. In this video we will cover what is CAD and CAE, jobs in CAE, Aliation's internship program. In every industry, for example, automobile, marine, civil, aerospace, consumer goods, there are thousands of parts and components. The process of manufacturing any part or component contains various steps. Conceptual design, in which idea of part of component is created on paper. CAD modeling, virtual representation of part or component. CAE analysis, virtual testing of part or component under various loading conditions. Physical testing of the parts if needed. Manufacturing of the parts. Once the part or component is finalized, then assembly of these parts or components starts, which includes following steps. Conceptual design on assembly, in which how the assembly of parts will look is decided. CAD model of assembly, in this assembly of part is done using CAD software for better representation. CAE analysis of assembly, various analysis is performed to understand the strength and life of the assembly. Physical testing if needed, physical assembling of the component. The process of creating a virtual design is known as CAD. CAD design engineers create 1D line model, 2D surface models, 3D solid model, assembly, mechanism, rendering, drawing and drafting and many more. The process of testing the behaviors of component, part or assembly is called as CAE. CAE engineer perform various analysis to test the various parameters of the part and assembly, which in physical world the component will exhibit. In other words, CAD engineers create virtual components using CAD software, and CAE engineers perform meshing, apply loading condition, solve and find out the results like stresses, strain, deformation, life, etc., which the component will undergo in physical world. This virtual testing of the component helps companies to make better products in shorter time and very less investment. Now let's understand the future of CAE engineer and jobs. As we all know that manufacturing of parts and components will not stop. And in every industry, launching the product in short amount of time and in less money is very crucial. That's why every industry has started using virtual testing process, CAE, computer-aided engineering, using which they can understand the behaviors of each and every part or component and assembly in less amount of time and in less amount of investment. To perform these simulations or analysis in every industry, the demand of CAE engineers are increasing, which in turn creating huge job opportunities for mechanical, civil, production, automobile and other related branch engineers. All the companies need CAE engineers having knowledge of CAE software and theory. That's why learning CAE software is important. The career path of CAE engineers as follow. Fresher CAE engineer, salary 4 to 8 lakhs per annum. CAE engineer with 3 years of experience, 8 to 12 lakhs per annum. Senior CAE engineer with 5 years of experience, 12 to 16 lakhs per annum. Manager CAE with 10 years of experience, 20 to 25 lakhs per annum. CAE domain also offer highest growth in salary as it's require high technical skills. Key features of Aliation's internship program in CAE and registration process. Registration fees 2,500 rupees including all taxes, with no hidden charges. Once the registration process is complete, you will receive the internship offer letter. We offer internship for the period from 1 month to 6 months. You can decide your internship duration. We offer 100% work from home, offline internship program, so that you can complete your internship from any location. Under Aliation internship program, you will have lifetime access of Aliation's Creo, CAD, ANSYS and HyperWorks, CAE, basic to professional training program worth 3,000 rupees for free. It also includes industry-approved training certificate of Creo, ANSYS and HyperWorks, which will help you to strengthen your LinkedIn profile and resume. You will also receive internship completion letter, letter of recommendation and experience letter, which will help you get the job as CAE engineer. We also provide free licensed version software, so that you can practice on the software. You will get 200 plus models, 100 plus industrial project, 100 plus theory PDFs. Lifetime access to all the training videos, theory PDFs, industrial models. Thank you for watching the video. If you need any update or information from us, feel free to contact us via support@aliation.com.